वेलकम टू आवर चैनल लाइफस्टाइल। हाय गाइस, आज मैं माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स में हम मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक डिस्कस करने वाले हैं विच इज़ फैट सोल्यूबल विटामिन्स। हमारे पास बहुत तरीके के विटामिन्स हैं लाइक ए, डी, ई, के। अब ये सब हमारे बॉडी में सबका पर्टिकुलर काम होता है। अब कौन सा विटामिन किस लिए होता है और उस यूज़ विटामिन प्रॉपर ना मिलने पर हमें क्या फेस करने को मिल सकता है हमारी बॉडी में। पूरा वीडियो देखना, आपको प्रॉपर नीड पता चल जाएगा और कैसे रिक्वायरमेंट्स को फुलफ़िल कर सकते सब बताऊंगा लास्ट में। लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। फैट सोल्यूबल विटामिन्स। फैट सोल्यूबल vitamins, the learning outcomes for this video are: we will understand what exactly vitamins are. Vitamins A, D, E, K are all fat soluble ones. Vitamins are organic compounds that are needed in small quantities to sustain life. Most vitamins need come from food as body cannot manufacture them. There are 13 known vitamins, out of which 4 are fat soluble vitamins A, D, E, K. Water soluble is vitamin C and all the B's. Fat soluble vitamins are stored in the fatty tissues of the body and the liver, and they can stay in the body for days and sometimes even months. Let's start with vitamin A. Preformed vitamin A is found in animal products. Provitamins is found in fruits and vegetables. Beta carotene is one of common example. It is called a provitamin because it's a precursor and the body converts it into its usable form. Vitamin A plays many roles in our bodies, including regulation of the immunity system, a role in bone and tooth development, reproduction, vital for hair growth, and essential for maintaining the light sensing cells in the eye. It is abundantly available in animal products like milk and liver and in some fish. Plant-based foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, and green leafy vegetables have these vitamins too. Vitamin A deficiency is rare, but it may result in disease known as xerophthalmia, night blindness, very dry skin are other signs of vitamin A deficiency. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin, which means it cannot be stored in the body for a long time, just like vitamins A, E, and K. When exposed to sunlight, your skin produces vitamin D and sends it to your liver. From there, your liver changes it to a substance called 25-OH-D. It gets converted to 125-OH-2D, mostly in the kidneys. This is the active steroid form of vitamin D. The active form of vitamin D travels through the body, affecting mostly every cell. Functions of vitamin D. One of the most vital functions of vitamin D is regulating the absorption of calcium and phosphorus, which is important for normal growth and development of bones and teeth. There are also strong evidence for a protective effect of vitamin D, not only against several types of cancer but also against multiple sclerosis and type 1 diabetes mellitus. Here are 2 ways to get more vitamin D. Sun is the best way to get adequate vitamin D is through moderate exposure to the sun during appropriate times. If possible, expose at least your arms, legs and back for 15 to 20 minutes 2 or 3 times a week. You can apply sunscreen on after 20 minutes to prevent excessive sun exposure, which may cause premature aging and increase cancer risk. If you work at night shift or live in Canada or Iceland where there is no sun mostly of year, taking a supplement can help ensure that you get enough vitamin D. Remember that vitamin D is fat soluble, so it is possible to overdose, as it can accumulate over time and potentially become toxic. This is extremely rare. However, a note about vitamin D and food: it's closer to impossible to get enough vitamin D from food. For example, 100 grams of salmon has about 500 IU and a whole egg has about 50 IU. To be in optimal range, you will need at least a few thousands IU daily. Make sure to check out the article I have written. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a group of related compounds divided into tocopherols and tocotrienols. Alpha tocopherols is most commonly typed. It makes up for 90% of vitamin E in the blood. Vitamin E's main role is to act as an antioxidant, preventing oxidative stress and protecting fatty acids in your cell membrane from free radicals. These antioxidant properties are enhanced by other nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin B3, and selenium. In high amounts, vitamin E also acts as blood thinner, reducing the blood's ability to clot. Best sources of vitamin E are vegetables, oils, nuts, and seed. Vitamin E deficiency is uncommon and is never detected in people who are otherwise healthy. It happens most often in diseases that impair the absorption of fat or vitamin E from food, such as cyst, fibrosis, and liver disease. Symptoms of vitamin deficiency include muscle weakness, walking difficulties, tremors, vision problem, poor immunity function, and numbness. Vitamin K is a family of compounds. The main dietary forms are vitamin K1 found in plant foods and vitamin K2 found in animal-derived foods and fermented soya products. Vitamin K plays an essential role in blood clotting. In fact, the K stands for coagulation, the Danish word for coagulation, which means clotting. But vitamin K has other function as well, including supporting bone health and helping prevent the calcification of blood vessels, potentially reducing the risk of heart disease. The best dietary source of vitamin K1 are leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, whereas vitamin K2 is mainly found in animal source food and fermented soya products. Without vitamin K, your blood wouldn't clot, and even a small wound could cause unstoppable bleeding. Fortunately, vitamin K deficiency is rare since the body only needs small amount to maintain blood clotting. Low level of K has also been linked with reduced bone density and increased risk of fractures in women. So this is the end of fat-soluble vitamins, and now let's look at the 9 water-soluble vitamins. Unlike fat-soluble vitamins, water-soluble are generally not stored in body. Therefore, you should strive to consume them from your diet regularly. Thanks for listening. Thank you for watching. If you wanna ask something, please comment below. For more, check out our blog. Link is in the description below. To stay up to date with my latest video and cool fitness tips, make sure to subscribe this YouTube channel by clicking subscribe button.